Alright y'all, we're back at it again with a grocery shopping one this time. It is so cloudy. Here we out. It was dreary when we came in, and now it's raining. Let's get these groceries to the car. Y'all, it is pouring, and I'm wearing a fleece, and it is soaking wet. My pants are drenched. It's literally like I just jumped in a pool. I'm sopping wet. I'm so cold. It's so wet. All the groceries are sopping wet. 50 degrees makes no difference. 50 degrees makes no difference when it's freezing freezing water. It's not snowing, it's raining, but it's coming down so heavy. It's so bad. I should have known. Let's get these groceries delivered so I can go home and change before I have to go back out in this crap to pick up my daughter from school. I can clean my glasses off so I can see where I'm going because I'm blind.